Hello, my name is Michael Yu. I'm coming from Hong Kong. I arrived Pakistan, Islamabad, on 19th of June, and I completed the camping and trekking at about 13 days to the K2 base camp. The organizer of this time is the Vertical Explorer Limited. During the trekking, because we have the European and also have the Asia, we have the Euro-Asia team. Yeah, but we coped very, very well in each other. Also, the guide for us is very helpful and very experienced. And the cook is making very nice food. Every day we have the different food. Yeah. For the porter is also okay, because we are not only one team to go to K2 base camp, also has some other group. Yeah. So that during the trek, we also have changed our message each other. Yeah. And because there is happening a very bad accident on the Nanga Parbat about 2 weeks ago. But this does not affect us. We are, for our route from Skado to Port Pitt and also to K2 base camp is safe. So that don't worry about the accidents, because there is also some army camp during in our routing. And now I will return to Hong Kong on tomorrow. Yes, and for because I'm the Chinese, yeah, so that because I'm a Chinese, so that I think also we have one more choice for going to the K2 base camp from the Pakistan side. Yeah, because in China side, also many people will note, only have 3 weeks in April every year, and also the permit from the frontier guard is very, very difficult. Yeah, so that I think this is also one of the best route for the trekker to consider it to the K2 base camp, because in the K2 base camp we not only have the K2, we also have many high mountain base camp there. You can choose what you like. At last, I hope for the trekkers joining the Vertical Explorer will get a successful trek.
Thank you.